Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to auto-download pictures and images on Viber. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Viber app and direct your attention to the bottom of your screen. You'll notice several navigation options there. Go ahead and tap on More to access additional settings and features within the app. Once you tap on More, you'll be taken to a new screen with various options. From here, look for and tap on Settings. This is where you can customize how Viber behaves and configure various preferences to match your needs. Inside the Settings menu, you'll see different categories for managing your Viber experience. Navigate to the option labeled Media and tap on it. This section specifically controls how Viber handles photos, videos, and other media files you receive in your chats. Now you'll see two important options that control when media automatically downloads to your device. The first option is auto-download media over mobile network, and the second is auto-download media when connected to Wi-Fi. These settings give you control over whether images and other media files download automatically depending on your connection type, which is particularly useful for managing your data usage and storage. Each of these options has a radio button next to it. To enable automatic downloads, simply tap the radio button for each option you want to activate. When you tap it, you'll see it become checked, indicating that the feature is now turned on. If you're concerned about using your mobile data, you might want to only enable the Wi-Fi option, but if you want all images to download regardless of your connection, you can check both. And that's it. Your Viber is now set to automatically download images and pictures, so you won't have to manually tap on each photo to view it. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.